Hi everybody, I'm going to give you a cabin tour of 4172. Okay, as I always do, I start at the door. Muster station is going to be B2, and then this right here shows you where it is on the ship. Okay, as you come in, on the left hand side, you've got the bathroom. This is a standard bathroom, very similar to what I showed you from mine before. Again, this does have a seating area there too. You've got storage on the back wall here. And then you've got storage right here. And you also have 2 power plugs, which is wonderful. You've got your full-length mirror. Again, this is going to open up to more storage. You've got your wardrobe on the back side here. The long closet. You've got baskets on the bottom there. Beside the bed, you've got a USB port as well as your power plug. This is North American. On the side here, you've also got 2 USB ports along with all the storage. On the other side here, you have another USB port, large screen TV in front of the bed. Then you have your desk and seating area. You've got 2 USB-C. You've got North American 3-prong, and I think probably UK 3-prong. And then you've got 2 USB-A's and European. You've got plenty of drawers here. You've also got your chiller. On the other side here, you have your pull-out bed. And then you have your beautiful ocean views in this Oceanview cabin. Okay everybody, that was cabin 4172. It is a standard Oceanview cabin on deck 4. Hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and as always, thank you for tripping with me.